using color palette in Procreate. First, we will go to the color tab at the right top corner of Procreate. And then at the bottom, we will click the palette button. And then we will click the plus sign at the top right. And then we will click the create new palette. And I will rename it as new palette. And then click done. This blue check means that this is my active palette. And now at the bottom, we will click the this button. And this is my newly created palette, which is named new palette. And I will add colors to my new palette. So I will select a color yellow. And I will click the first box. And then I will select another color. And I will click the next box. I will select again a new color. And I will click the next box. I will select again another color. If I accidentally touch a box away from the other box like this, we can delete that palette by press and holding the box. Yan. And then click the delete swatch. Yan. And that's it. That's how you create your palette. Thanks. We can also create palette from our images. For example, we go to the palette again, click the plus button, and we will select new from photos. And we will select an image. And there you go. It automatically create a new palette. That's it. Thank you.